Hey everyone, so today we are going to put HelloFresh and Chef's Plate head to head. They're two of the biggest meal kits in Canada, and even though they're owned by the same parent company, they're for totally different kinds of people. Now, I've used both a ton, swapping around plans, tried a bunch of different meals, and right out the gate, I'll tell you, HelloFresh is more about flexibility and great flavors, while Chef's Plate is just straight up budget friendly. So if you want to know which one fits your own life better, or if either is even worth using at all, this video is going to give you a full rundown on how they actually compare. Everything from price and prep time to taste and portion sizes, everything. We're going to get into it right now. Let's start off on more of a high level because these two are for totally different kinds of people, like I mentioned. HelloFresh, it goes for more of the premium angle. The menu is way bigger, and they give you more control over what's in your own box. There's a ton of different diet options: vegetarian, high protein, carb-smart, pescatarian, a ton more. It's for people who actually like cooking, but don't want to run back and forth to the store all the time. Or you want some cool variety in your week without having to think too hard about meal planning. It'll generally run you around $80 a week for two people. That's 3 meals plus shipping. Compare all that to Chef's Plate, which is more about keeping things simple. Most of the meals are ready in around 15 to 30 minutes, with really easy instructions. If you're just looking for something quick after work, or you're trying to cut down on your grocery bill, this one is made for that. The pricing is closer to $65 for that same setup, especially if you're using one of those $3 intro offers. Now, as far as the food itself, the win easily goes to HelloFresh. It gives you over 100 recipes every week to choose from, and if the default setup doesn't do it for you, you can actually play around with it. Stuff like switch out ground beef for turkey, add an extra portion of chicken. It's all built into the app. And there's a bunch of extras you can add, things like snacks, breakfast items, little groceries. It actually turns the app into a bit of a mini market. With Chef's Plate, you pick your meals, and that's pretty much it. There's a little add-on menu where you can toss in a snack or side for $1 to round out the box, but otherwise there's nothing really to play around with. What's nice is the sauces will come pre-made. Veggies are all chopped up. Most of the prep is actually already done out the way before you even open the bag. It really does cut down on cook time. HelloFresh meals take a tiny bit longer, usually 20 to 40 minutes, and they tend to be more involved. You'll be slicing, mixing, reducing. It's a bit more hands-on, but if you actually enjoy cooking, it's just a better experience overall. And I personally found that over time, Chef's Plate might start to feel a bit repetitive. Like you will see the same burgers and stir fries show up over and over and over again. And flavor-wise, it tends to be more familiar. That's not to say they're bad by any means. I had a couple of pastas and burgers that were seriously solid. Not only salty, not bland either. Point is, they're not going for fancy, more like, yeah, I'd eat this again, sure. HelloFresh rotates things in and out a lot better and goes for more variety. You'll find some awesome tasting global flavoring, stuff like Mediterranean grains, Korean-style stir-fries. I guarantee you don't have some of these spice blends in your pantry. You'll get meals that feel different from week to week. So if you get bored easily or you just like trying new flavors, that's something to consider. And if at any point you want to try out HelloFresh for yourself, you can use the affiliate link we've got down in the description to check out their menu. It doesn't cost you anything extra at all. We might get a small commission on it though. It really does help support the channel. And we can usually even get you some special deals there that you won't see if you go through their main site. So definitely feel free if you're interested. Now, I tend to need a lot to feel full, and Chef's Plate actually holds up better than I'd expect. They lean more on heavier sides, lots of potatoes, rice, pasta, and it works, even on the cheaper plans. I wasn't back at the refrigerator half an hour later. HelloFresh meals, on the other hand, tend to come in a little lighter. The proteins are usually around 15 to 40 grams, and the sides are smaller. Still balanced, but if you're like me and you have a super large appetite, you'll probably want to bump up the portion or add something else on the side. So both of these you can manage either through their app or just by logging into their website, whichever is easier for you. They look and work pretty much the same across devices, though I did find that HelloFresh just gives you a bit more to work with, right? The app loads a little quicker with a lot cleaner of a layout. Plus, all the custom options like swapping out proteins, adding extra portion, it's all right there when you're building your box. Pretty easy to figure out. Chef's Plate doesn't have as much going on since you can't customize anything, and the recipe list is a lot smaller, but if you're just trying to choose your meals and move on, it works totally fine. And by the way, just a heads up, both services have a hard deadline as far as making changes. You got up until a minute to midnight Pacific time, 4 days before your box ships. After that, you're locked in for the week. Now, one cool thing I did notice while using these is that most of the ingredients are actually sourced in Canada for both of them. You're not getting anything that's been frozen solid and shipped halfway around the world. Though I would say HelloFresh leans into that a bit more. In fact, you can actually see it in the ingredient quality. The produce just looks healthier, and the lineup has more specialty grains, cheeses, that kind of thing. It feels a little fresher. Chef's Plate doesn't actively push that nearly as much. That's not to say the ingredients aren't in good shape or anything. Nothing ever felt cheap or thrown together. Packaging-wise, it's basically the same. You get the standard box, cardboard, installation, ice packs. There's a fair amount of plastic, especially for small stuff, but that's kind of be expected with a meal kit. I poked around on their website, and HelloFresh does talk more about carbon offsetting and waste reduction. Chef's Plate is partnered with Oceanwise for seafood, but it doesn't emphasize sustainability quite as much overall. So after using both of these for a while, they're kind of two sides of the same coin. Because HelloFresh is the one for people who genuinely love cooking. If you want lots of variety, flexibility, or just trying to follow a specific plan like low carb or vegetarian, it's simply a better setup. The meals feel more thought out, the ingredients are better, and you can change things around each week without starting from scratch. Chef's Plate is built for speed. It's faster to make, and it's easier on the wallet. There's no customization, but if you find a few meals you like, it'll do the trick for sure. And they've actually set it up so if HelloFresh starts to feel like too much, or it's too pricey or something, you can actually switch down to Chef's Plate and stay in the same system. You don't have to reset your preferences, start all over again. So I'd say the best play is to give HelloFresh a shot and see if the quality and value are worth it. If that sounds like a plan, the link down in the description will for sure get you the best deal available right now. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email down in the description as well. If you got any questions at all, feel free to message me in the comments. I love hearing from you guys, and I always try to answer as many as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.